Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to start a new game in Mouse PI for Hire. Begin by pressing New Game. From here, select the difficulty. Rookie is the easy difficulty, Detective is the normal one, and Super Sleuth is the high difficulty. I'll select the normal. Then, wait for the game to load. You'll be taken to the tutorial level. Of course, you can now play the game. But if you want to, you can press the escape button or the pause button. You can load the last save, restart the level, or load the game. You can quit to the main menu or exit the game. Here are your main jobs and side jobs. So our main quest and side quest. Here is the other page for jobs, which gives you a little bit more details on them. There are clues, armory. You have your basic fists and weapons. As you can see, you can upgrade them. There are collectibles, which you can find throughout the levels. They are the newspapers, cards, or comics. Of course, there are also settings, but we won't stay in those. And, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.